Hi Pioneers, I'm Nessa.
And I'm Joe, and happy Valentine's Day. We're back. Did you miss us?
Because we missed you.
And so with that, Valentine's Day, go tell your parents you love them. Go tell your friends you love them. I love you, Nessa.
I love you too, Joe.
But let's remember, February isn't just for Valentine's Day. It's also to recognize those who paved the way for us, those amazing people who got us to where we are right now. And for that, let's go to Leah for our Black History Month special.
Hi guys, it's Leah, and as y'all know, it's February, so I'm going to be talking about a little bit of Black history. Today we celebrate the life of Maya Angelou. She was born in 1928, who was an author and activist. From I Know Why the Cage Bird Sings to Phenomenal Woman, her works speak of resilience, love, and justice. She was a voice for the unheard and a beacon of strength who broke barriers in film, civil rights, and literature. In 1993, she made history by reciting her poem on the post of mourning at President Bill Clinton's inauguration. Maya taught us to embrace our identities and use our voices for change. Her words still echo today. Do the best you can until you know better, then when you know better, do better. Let us honor her legacy by inspiring and uplifting one another.
Thank you, Leah, for educating us and giving us some insight on Black History Month. Now let's go to our American Sign Language segment with Leah and Leanna.
Hello, my name is Leanna.
My name is Leah.
Welcome to our new ASL video segment.
Let's learn how to introduce yourself.
First, your name. Pause the video if needed.
Now let's learn the phrase.
Hello, or more commonly used, hi.
For Maya, you want to put your right hand on your chest. For name is, you need both hands, and name is together. So you will need your index finger and your middle finger and make like an X. Left hand on the bottom, right hand on the top. And then you want to tap twice for name is. Then you do your name. Now let's put it all together.
I hope you learned something new. Bye, Pioneers.
Amazing ASL segment, girls. Now, let's get into boys basketball and girls soccer.
Congratulations to girls soccer and boys basketball. Now let's go to our teacher spotlight.
Hi, what is your name and what subject do you teach here?
I'm Mrs. Lopez and I teach civics and AP government.
We have a few questions for you today. The first one, starting off with, what is your dream job and why did you choose this one?
I've always wanted to be a teacher actually, since junior year of high school, but before that, I wanted to be an orthodontist, which probably would have saved me some money, but always a teacher.
Next question, what is your short-term and long-term goal for life?
Long term is to help you guys be productive in society once you graduate. Short term is to get you all registered to vote.
Next, where do you see yourself in 15 years?
Retired. Early retirement.
And last question, what has been keeping you motivated with the career you have chosen?
You guys definitely keep me motivated. You keep me on my toes, a lot of things that you say, but I think the topic that I teach and the differing views that you guys have, I think that keeps me motivated to keep learning with you and try to get as much information to you as possible.
Cool. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Well, that was Miss Lopez for you. Now, let's get into our cooking segment with Joe and Nessa. Hi guys, welcome to our Valentine's Day edition of the cooking segment on ATV. I'm your host, Joe.
And I'm Nessa.
And today we'll be baking strawberry tarts.
So first you need some sort of puff pastry, but we're using biscuits. You'll need either strawberry jam or natural strawberries, and we're using Nutella.
You'll also need egg wash, but to spare the time, we'll put it like right here.
So first off, we'll be popping the dough open with a spoon, and we'll be spreading the dough out evenly and using a cookie cutter to cut a heart shape into the dough. You'll be adding the Nutella and the jam into the base of the dough. Then you'll be adding another layer of dough, spreading egg wash on top of it, and using a fork or a spoon to push the edges together. You're going to repeat that process until you have as many pastries as you like. You should pop the pastries in the oven at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 minutes. After you let them out to cool for a couple of minutes, they should look something like this.
Well, that was the end of our segment. I say that was a pretty cool segment, wasn't it? Right. Well, it was definitely something, but I think that's about it. Yeah. So we hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye, Pioneers, and happy Valentine's Day.